Wagwan guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today my husband and I are going to be making Jamaican pigtail soup. Yes guys, if you like red pea soup and something there, that's what we're gonna be making today. So stay tuned guys, come here and tell us that the soup was up. Yes, nice. So guys, this is what the pigtail looks like. Where do you want to put it in now? So you don't want to put it in this? Or just pour out the water out of that and put it in there. You want to see? You want to see the pigtail? Yeah.
What's up?
You don't want to Very knife one sharp much.
Chopping.
So guys, we bought this bucket of pigtail at the Jamaican grocery store for $25. I don't really know how many pieces come in the bucket, but we had it for a while now. So, cause we don't really cook pigtail very often, right? So it's kind of worth it. So guys, today we're making pigtail soup with red peas and some chicken foot. So we have the chicken foot here, so cut apart everything. We just cut in some garlic because we have the peas in here, so you can see. Yeah, so we're just cooking the peas with some garlic there, and then in this pot we have the pigtail. So this is the pigtail. We're just cooking out the salt out of it. You know, pigtail very salty, right? We just boil out some of the salt. Yeah, put something like this up here now.
Yeah.
No. Okay. You cannot just change the water off the pig foot like what? How long you boil it for right now?
20 minutes.
20 minutes? Each time? Or
Just 20 minutes.
oh, you're just boiling it for 20 minutes, so it's gonna change the water like 3-4 times within that 20 minutes. The water is very salty and they put the salt and stuff, right? I'm just here to support him by keeping his company because I don't know how to cook pigtail, right? Okay guys, so we added the chicken foot to the peas, and the peas cook and everything, and the chicken foot half cooked too, but we're still waiting on the pigtail. Okay, but that takes a little bit longer to boil the salt out and thing. Okay, so it's happening now.
Let's go in. All of this in it now.
Okay.
All of the chicken foot and the peas.
I have water peas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lots of meat, guys.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So I'm going to cook it now.
So guys, we have the chicken foot and the pigtail and the peas cooking in this now.
Yeah, can cook the peas and the pigtail and the pigtail I go cook. Leave the peas I go cook. Leave the pigtail.
Yeah.
And then I go have a good soup.
Ah, true.
No time.
If the peas cook out too much.
Yeah, that pigtail harder on the peas.
You're right. make dumpling. Neat and nice. Yeah, I need this so. Come I can come I can eat the opposite from me. I don't know. Okay. Dumpling. Where's it? Dumpling going in the pot. You will eat 3. You take 1 and spinners. Or rather the spinners in the soup. Yes, those ones. Okay guys, so the dumpling in. Soup already looks so rich and nice. I'm gonna put in some yellow yam now guys. You see them are cutting, I never cut yam so you know yeah. A different kind of cutting. This one I cut this circle.
Cutting there now.
Oh, what?
Different settings
Yeah, I like it.
Body do them something different style. Settings.
I'm gonna put some corn in it guys, and if you have sweet potato guys at home, you can put sweet potato in it in your red pea soup as well. Them can look like the can in the summer way, nice and juicy at all, but as I go a winter can. Winter can do what they will do.
More than
Mm-hmm.
Sure.
Hmm?
So the chicken for them cook.
Okay, then I'll cook something that because when the dumpling and everything cooked now, that's it. You're good to go.
Yep.
I always talk like so when me cook a different something. Just as though you're in there turn up on your foot how long at the same when in there turn up for my foot long. Is that a sharper time? Wait me I see. When me I cook soup I saw me in here long. I cut up, knead up. So how your soup different from mine, sir?
Man soup.
Man soup. Okay, I don't know what that means, but okay. Yeah, they're good. Okay guys, he's gonna put a little coconut milk into the soup. That look good. So he just put his little coconut milk and skillet on time. Eh?
Okay, we don't have
What?
the real jelly. Put in it.
Real jelly.
Coconut from Jamaica. So we use it.
Yes.
This one.
Whatever we get at the international store, okay? That is what we use.
Going back to town.
Alright, so that's it. Now go and cook. And when that finished cook, guys, we have our grace cock soup to season the pot at the end. Okay, and this go at the very end because it don't take very long to cook. So guys, we just put the powder from one of the cock soup. We're gonna put a second one, and this one we'll put the noodle and everything from the package in the soup.
See pig still there. Up on top. So everything go bottom go couple now. Yeah. Put a little piece of butter in, right?
I'm just gonna put some butter in.
That's it.
Okay guys, super bubble. How is the dinner? Oh, Joe, you drinking your soup?
Yo, how are you already done?
What happened, Mickey?
You're already done.
What do you need?
That's easy.
Hmm? What do you need, Mickey? Hmm? Juice? I'll get you some juice, okay?
Mommy, I don't need no juice. I don't need nothing.
No, yeah, you can just drink some water from this one. Okay, that's very good, Joe.
Either.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked our video, and if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.